Alright, so headed down from the gate from where it goes. You can go to Guffey Campground or you can go down to Lupine Campground. And here we are. This is right up here is the road that goes up to the PCT trail. It has good cell phone signal. And right now I have actually cell phone signal from here to call. Up there you get a 4G. But we're going to head down down to Lupine Campground. This is the first time I've ever seen this road this nice. Last year it was closed the whole year, even through hunting season, because there was a big old wash down here. And the year before that they opened it, and you can get down to Lupine, and you get down to a good spot, and you get through the big wash. There's even a big, huge, giant wash down at the bottom. Lots of big boulders. So we're going to get down to that part, see what it looks like, and see if I feel comfortable about getting my truck through it. They graded a lot of this, so I'm hoping they graded it all the way down through and cleared out a lot down into Lupine Campground, which is an awesome campground down here, and lots of wildlife, lots of deer. It's just very, very cool, secluded. I have plenty of water, but when you're down there, there's a natural spring down there. You got to hike a little bit to get to it, but so there's a nice natural spring that you can go get water from. And I'm just going to do a video heading down to check this out so I can show it to my buddies what it looks like. So here we go. Campground. This is the camp that we stayed at, me and Angelo, right here on the right. Came down for the overnighter. The one next to it we stayed at, I think, like the next year. We'll take a tour of our campground. I think I want to stay at this camp right here, straight ahead. Oh, firewood too. Nice. Let's take a tour. Take a tour and then I'll come back around and stay in that campground. There's something better. Oh, that's a nice little one too right there. That's cool. Little fire pits, tables, restrooms. So here, this one's going to be really close to the trail to the spring. We'll take a hike up to the spring, see if the water's still flowing. I bet these bathrooms are probably locked. Don't mean nothing. Back to the main road. Straight right there, you can go down through there, and that's the way down to Cabin Flats. You need a really good four-wheel drive vehicle to do that. Jeep, short wheelbase, and you can probably get down through there, but yeah, not gonna happen today. Alright, it's Kevin down at Lupine Campground now. Total surprise. I feel blessed, lucky that this place is open. The spring is right up there. Hike up. There's a big log. There's like a big rock on the left and a log on the right, and it's about right there. So we'll probably take a hike up there later, maybe. Check it out. But this is the campground. Last time we were down here, there's deer running through here. Way cool. Awesome campsite. Somebody hooked it up with the wood. Find a spot to set up my bivvy and see how it goes. I got all my, I was gonna do an overnighter, so I got that pack. This is my day pack. So when I left today, everything was that one, and this one was empty. And I got to the mountain I wanted to do, and I just did a little day trip. So I threw what I needed in there. But yeah, this is going to be pretty awesome. So Guffey Campground is up there. Oh, wait, maybe over there. No, over there. And then Cabin Flats would be that way. And you can just tell this place screams of wildlife. I mean, down here in the shade and the trees, and I mean, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna have this whole campsite, or I'm gonna have this whole campground to myself tonight. It's about a 3 or 4 mile drive down from Guffey, and you get to a spot, and you'll see on the video on the drive that you know, people in cars or aren't gonna get through. 4-wheel drive, you need a 4-wheel drive truck or Jeep to get through what I went through, and it is nothing compared to what it was a couple years ago. Man, a couple years ago, I would not have taken my truck through it. No, but right now they graded some stuff, they flattened out, and it was doable in the truck, so I'm totally stoked.